The Minister of Tourism, Economic Affairs, Transport and Telecommunication, which I now have the honor and privilege to lead, is seen as an engine behind an economic development. The state of our economy can only therefore be measured more or less by what happens and doesn't happen in TEAT. While it is my intention to have a quick scan done in order to give a more realistic picture of what our current situation actually is, it does not take a rocket scientist to see that our economy is far from the best shape. True, we have faced some unprecedented challenges in the last decade, including the incredible devastation caused by Hurricane Irma in 2017 and the global shutdown of the COVID-19 pandemic in 2020. But we can't blame our present predicament on those two events alone. If we start with our Princess Juliana International Airport, we see that it has fallen from being named the best airport in the Caribbean in 2016 to not even being in the top 10 of the best today. True, it suffered massive destructions at the hands of Irma, but how do we explain that what took a couple years to build is taking almost 7 years and counting to repair? The airport is not only the main gateway to our island, it is the heart of our economic activity. There may be days when we do not have cruise calls, but can we stop and imagine a day without planes landing at our airport? That would be like a whole island, our entire island, suffering from a cardiac arrest. That is how important Princess Juliana International Airport is to our economy. 7 years waiting to finally get back on its feet is way too long. In that period, it has lost its hub function, as developments in Anguilla, Dominica, and the BVI and elsewhere demonstrate. These islands once considered PGIA their own international airport as well. However, it is unreasonable to expect them to wait until we get our act together.